Hello, hi everyone, this is Som here. I welcome everyone to the YouTube channel. In this particular video, I would be showing you how you can self-host your n8n into your Mac computer or desktop computer from this process. So I would be showing you a easiest method how you can get started. So let's get started. The first thing what is required right now is that you need a Docker. Docker is a self-hosting where you can host your n8n. So this is the process what you need to follow. So I have provided the link in the description box of a website. You can go to this website and click on download Docker desktop. So I'm using a Mac computer, so I would download this. So once it get downloaded, so you just need to run it. So already I have done the running process. All right, so once it has been set up, then what happens is it will open up this. Yes, what you can see is Docker desktop. You need to find n8n io, and this is what the link is, n8n io/n8n. so you will see 100 million. So you just need to click on this pull, then it will open up and it will download that on your computer. So it will take a few seconds and it will get downloaded. Look at this, it says download newer images. So now it is being downloaded here. Now what you have to do is you just need to run it. So it asks for a container name. You can give it as per your needs. So I just chosen n8n. Before that, you need to go ahead and create a folder in your, this is n8n data. All right, you need to create the folder in your document. Then you can give it the container path name, that is home node.n8n, and just going to run it. So you just need to follow the step what I have given you, and right now it will just execute it. And now you can see the editor is now accessible via host. Now it will open up the sign up page. You can give your email address, first name, last name, and a password. So you can just need to go ahead and enter the name here. So once you enter the name, email address, first name, last name, and a password, and click on next. So once it is being done, so this is again, you just need to remember the password. It will ask for them customize n8n questions. You just need to enter this. You can select it which role you are in. So I'm selecting this. Okay, you can, if you need to follow all these steps, skip it. Then you will see this is now inside your self-hosted n8n. You can click on this create workflow, and now it's ready to use it on your computer without paying for $60 or $25 to n8n. So it would be self-hosting directly into your Mac. So right now I chosen this ready-made JSON file, and also you get a lot of templates here. You can choose it from here. You can go to this website. I provide the link in the description box, and you can just need to copy, and I will show you how you can do that. So once, if you find it, yeah, this is helpful, generate an AI viral videos. If you find it, this workflow you need it, you can click on this use for free, click on it, and you will be able to see the copy the template. You need to copy the template and go to this website and paste it, copy and paste. Okay, once you copy and paste, it will get pasted here. Look at this, how fantastic it is. It's ready made for you. All right, and you can ready to use it. You just need to connect your Google Sheet, or you need to process this automation, and it is getting started. So this is how you can create an amazing workflows in the self-hosting in n8n. In the next videos, I will be coming with a lot of automations with the n8n, and this how to use it, how to automate the process, how to grow your business with an AI with n8n. So let's subscribe, like. If you like this, comment me below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.